Hey friends, today we're going to talk about Stoicism, which is a way of thinking about life. We'll look at 4 important Stoic virtues that can help us in our everyday lives. We'll start with wisdom. First up is wisdom. It's about making good choices. Think things through, ask questions, and try to understand things before taking action. Next, courage. It's not just about facing physical danger, but also about speaking up for what's right and facing your fears. Show courage even in small everyday actions. Then there's justice. Treat others fairly and respectfully. It's about doing the right thing, not just for yourself, but for everyone. Lastly, temperance. It's about having self-control and balance. Keep your desires in check and don't overdo anything. By following these virtues, you can live a more balanced and fulfilling life. So, start today. Be wise, be courageous, be just, be temperate. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more self-improvement tips. See you next time.